Hello! With this little video I want to talk about e-learning, but not from the standpoint of technology, but from the standpoint of learning. So in educational science we have different learning theories, which gives us a description of how people learn things. So we have the behaviorism, which is a very old theory from the 50s, and it's about our brain as a black box. In behaviorism, it's all about the consequences of your action. It's about conditioning you to do something or to punish you to don't do something. And in later years, it has been replaced by cognitivism, which opens up the black box to our brain and gives us a detailed account of our mind and how it works in terms of information processing. And in recent years we have another big learning theory, which is constructivism, and it's about to develop our own understanding in our own cultural and social context. Now, these theories of learning are very helpful for e-learning because they describe how people learn. And there are another theories about learning with multimedia, and they also gives us a detailed account of multimedia instruction and how we process different things. So, and one principle, very basic principle, is don't do too much in e-learning, because our brain and our working memory is limited to process only a small amount of information at a given point of time. So don't do too much. So let me thank you for your attention and see you in the workshop.